Welcome to another Orginio tips and tricks video. Today's topic is around display rules. What are display rules? They're individual rules that you can set up to highlight information. So think of it as data discovery to make more informed decisions. Right here within the boxes of the org charts, we see some attributes and some highlights. For instance, we see under performance some different color coding. That's one example of having some visualization rules within the box. When we're talking about display rules, we're also talking about external display rules so that we can highlight information. So in this use case right here, I really want to focus around location. So I'm going to do a color coding based upon location to identify who's in which office. Again, these are some bright colors, but just to demonstrate the purpose here, we can highlight whether it's departments, it's pick the attribute, and we can turn these display rules on. Maybe we don't want to see all location. Maybe we're just looking to see who's in the Dallas office, for instance. Maybe another one could be around open positions. At this level, I don't have any open positions, but this would also highlight any open positions. Maybe it's around job level. So we want to see who are the folks at job level 2, 3, etc. Maybe it's around more of a diversity view. This is where we can highlight, again, data discovery. It's all about discovery. Not only can we color code the boxes, but maybe we want to have some identifiers outside the box to highlight information such as who's got a high head count. In my rule, I set up those who have a head count greater than 15, for instance. Maybe it's who's got a high span of control. Again, a different marker on the different side of the box, but you can turn these on or off at will. Maybe it's around remote worker. Who's a remote worker? Again, these are just indicators, but let's say we really wanted to focus in on those remote workers. Just as an example here, I actually can do a hideout rule. So I'm going to hide all of our full-time workers, if you will, that are maybe in the office, and I really want to focus on the remote workers. So right now I've hidden all of those folks that do not meet the requirement of remote worker. They are a pure remote worker, and again, I can change the rules on or off. These are all customized to your needs. And how we create these visualization rules is in our three-dot menu at the very top. We're going to go to settings, go to visualizations, we go to display rule. Now here we can colorize. The top section is about colorizing the box based off a condition. We have that hide rule where we hid all of those that are office workers, and we wanted to call attention to the remote workers. Now we can also put markers on the corners of the box. So let's just pick, for instance, location. So we want to look at a location. So we use the attribute location field. So you pick the field. In this case, we pick the location. Equals, contains, filled, not filled, and the criteria. And then we assign a color. And again, I picked this on location. This could be by department. This could be on skills, up to you to define. Maybe I want to focus on open positions. So anything that's in a person-to-person chart, we use the name contains open, then we highlight that with the green color, if you will. Up to you as to what kind of colors. Maybe it's around, right here we have the hide rule. So this is where you can set the transparency as to those that meet or do not meet those conditions. Or let's focus on who's got a high head count. So again, I picked the attribute. In this case, it's the KPI of head count, greater to, equal to 15. I associate a color, a shape, and a size. Again, I can get very detailed in here, but these are just some quick examples within the org chart box here. So let's go back to the org chart view. And as we toggle maybe to different views, this is a department view. Maybe we want to go to a talent view. And again, you can toggle these on or off, and I can go into a print mode. So if I want to print something off, not only do I have those visual cues within the box, but I can also have those visual cues outside the box. Hope this was helpful. Stay tuned for more additional tips and tricks video